Modern civilization is built on a dangerous assumption. That Earth is stable climate, stable seasons, stable oceans, stable systems, but stability is not a planetary default. It is a temporary condition. Earth has never been permanently stable. It oscillates between states, ice ages, greenhouse periods, mass extinctions, rapid recoveries. What we experience today is a brief plateau between extremes. Civilization emerged during this plateau and mistook it for permanence. We designed cities, economies, and political systems as if the planet would hold still. It will not. Planetary systems shift regardless of human belief. Stability decays slowly, then suddenly. When thresholds are crossed, change accelerates faster than institutions can respond. This is why restoration must happen before collapse signals become obvious. Waiting for undeniable evidence is the same as waiting too long. Earth does not warn politely. It transitions. Understanding that stability is temporary does not mean surrender. It means preparation. Civilizations that recognize planetary cycles adapt, those that do not disappear. Earth restoration begins with abandoning the myth of permanence.